Here's Linux Mint. There is somebody on here.
Kilo Delta Juliet K4 KDJ QRZ.
That's a pretty good signal. Really quiet today on 20 meters. Here's Linux Mint. There is somebody on here.
Kilo Delta Juliet K4 KDJ QRZ.
That's a pretty good signal. And the heat is coming back. It is at 78 and still rising. Not bad out, just really windy. About almost 2 o'clock. And turn on HF for a little bit. See if this will turn on correctly or not. Well, might have if I plug that in.
Yeah, okay, Indian Yankee Hotel again. Station in Washington State trying to call you a few minutes ago. His call was KF7CL, and I think he wanted to work you. Yeah, QSL there, Kilo 5 Lima Mike 0. I copy that. Yeah, I heard a couple of stations down in there, but
They're getting a lot of RF. Oh, leave it on.
Okay, just wanted to let you know. I was hearing him. I'm looking at him here on the reflector, so we'll probably try to go and shift a little bit. You're quite a bit stronger too now. You're coming over the birdie. You're coming over my computer birdie now. Yeah, roger that. I swung the beam from the northeast down to the west, so that probably made a big difference. So, hey, appreciate the report and good luck again. Okay, 73. QRZ, any station, anywhere from the Virginia Tech station and the School Club Roundup. Here is Kilo 4, Kilo Delta Juliet, K4 KDJ.
244. We got you on the list up there. You're already on the list there. Sure that's the right number?
It's been about 5 years, so I may have been a few numbers wrong. It's KI4 Oscar Ida, Huntsville, Alabama. Over.
Yep, pretty much clear skies in the Midwest to East Coast today. Alright, well, it's Monday afternoon, just after 3 o'clock, getting ready to go pick up the girls from school. Flowers are still blooming, believe it or not. This one's just coming in. That one's budding. That one's on its way out. The one next to it's just coming in. I think we got just a few left here that are just budding and beginning to bloom. A couple of them are on the last stages. But over here, these other ones here seem to have been blooming for the last 2 or 3 weeks, even in the cold weather. I don't know if these are supposed to do that, but they're all budding now. I don't know if they're supposed to do this in the fall or what, but surprised the heck out of me, especially after that freeze we had the other day. It got down to 26 degrees about 3 or 4 days ago, and we didn't cover up any of these, and they took it pretty good. Well, I'll tell you what, it is super bright out. I had to even dig out the Sunglasses here for a little bit while I was driving. You should have seen the traffic. I should have had the camera out. But man, it was bumper to bumper. Kids were running around in the middle of the street trying to cross the street, not using the crosswalk, screwing up traffic. Well, what do you expect from middle school kids? Anyway, we're at the school. I'm going to go pick up the girls, take them home, and then head home, wait for my little boy to get home from school. See how his day went. What? You big bully? Go get him! Go get him! Get him! Just give him a little shove. So yeah, a lot of leaves everywhere, especially down the block here. You can see they're really going to have fun bagging up these. Ours haven't started that heavily, but there's some pretty interesting colors coming around the neighborhood. It's just about that time of year again. Trying to program some new frequencies and settings in the old Wuxon here. I don't want that.